a look at downtown Albuquerque. Interesting day. We had some good-looking clouds early on, and then you see them flatten out because we've got some drier air a little higher in the atmosphere. So we are not seeing good cloud development here in central sections of the state. Now, as you go a little farther down to the south, moisture's a little bit better. And we are picking up a few storms. In fact, the Sacramento Mountains, for what seems like, the 15th day in a row, we're getting more showers here. Again, nothing that's a flooding issue, but there is some rain around this area and occasionally some heavy downpours as well. And we do still have flood advisories over Lincoln County right now and a flood warning right now still over Eddy County at this point. And you can see some of these showers now just kind of rolling off the Sacramentos down to the south and east at this point. We also have a couple of spot storms here. One's got a little punch to it in eastern portions of Grant County. But for the most part, there's not nearly the storms today we've had in past days. No real surprise. We thought we'd see a little dry out, and we'll continue to see that into tomorrow. 78 degrees in the metro, winds out of the west 7 miles an hour. Across the north, temperatures in the 70s and 80s. Down to the south, anywhere from the 60s in Ruidoso, where we've got the rain, all the way up into the 80s around Las Cruces, Deming, and over into Carlsbad. Looking at satellite and radar here, you can tell I don't have much going on storm-wise, and we will see high pressure continue to develop here just off to our north and west, and that's going to lead to a relatively quiet setup here over the next couple of days. However, we will sneak enough moisture in underneath the ridge of high pressure to fuel some storms out there. So what you got to look for over the next couple of days will be kind of a lean storm crop, mainly centered over the mountains here, with mostly sunny skies across the northwest and into the valley here. But as you can tell, a couple of sprinkles will definitely still be a possibility out there. And in fact, we will see the moisture edge up as we get into Thursday, Friday, and then into the weekend. We have a big trough that's going to come into the west coast. Right now, track on this is a little bit shaky at this point. It does look like, though, the core of the low is going to go well to our north. But what we'll end up with here is a little bit of change in our weather pattern and slightly cooler temperatures, maybe a little high mountain snow for portions of Colorado and areas north of there. As far as the showers go, you can see spotty stuff across the southeast here over the next day or so, and then into east central sections. We could see some spotty showers into Thursday as well. It's nothing I think that's going to be a real big deal. So let's go region by region. Better chance at showers across the Durango area with the arrival of the trough coming up Friday, Saturday, and especially into Sunday as well, with sharply cooler temperatures, but nothing off the charts cold. 81 in Grants, 86 Farmington, and 82 in Gallup. Nice over the next couple of days, and definitely warm. Across the southwest, mainly sunny skies, although a spot shower or two will be a possibility over the next few days. Nothing to plan around at this point. Nothing as bad as what we've had over the past 10 days or so. 84 in Roswell, 64 Cloudcroft, and 83 in Carlsbad. A break from the steady rain, but still the chance at a quick shower and a brief downpour not out of the question. Partly cloudy, spot storms possible across the northeast over the next couple of days. Northern mountains shot at some showers in a scattered fashion Thursday into Friday, and maybe a thunderstorm or two over the weekend. Down into the east mountains, partly cloudy, some isolated showers. 81 Cedar Crest, 82 into Harris, and 80 out in Mountain Air. And finally right here in the metro area, we'll have temperatures in the 80s for tomorrow. Partly sunny, warm day, really nice day across the board, actually. Nice fall day, and the temperature's going to remain above average. Now, as we get into the weekend, we can grab a quick shower. The problem is getting some signs that that trough could curl a little too far to the north to have an impact in the metro.
Okay, thank you, Mark.